Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festus 67's workshop, and welcome to part 56 of Build the 1967 Mustang Eleanor from the movie Gone in 60 Seconds from our wonderful friends over at Fanhome. Now if you want to grab this for yourself, this beautiful 1/8 scale model, head over to this link here. It's also in the description below. Head over to Fanhome and take yourself out a subscription for this beautiful, beautiful model. So what are we up to today? Well, we're doing kit number 56, which is the floor mats, folks. Nice and simple. You've got the driver's front and rear and the passenger front and rear floor mats. And they're literally just going to pop into the floor assembly that we did last time, folks. It's a nice, quick, simple issue today. So we'll drop that at the back and open up our little packet. And this is what you'll get, a little poly bag with all the bits in there, folks, okay? So we'll open that up, lay it out on the bench, and then we'll grab our bits and bobs from the previous issue, folks, okay? So let's just line these up, have you some of that. Get rid of the polythene. And they're rubberized mats there, folks. Nice and simple. And we'll bring in our floor section like so. So let's just have a quick looky-loo at what it's telling us. And it's telling us just to press them into place. And there's holes already provided there in the velvet that you can see down there. So you'll just grab one like so. You'll just put it into place, okay? So let's just grab that, pop that in there. So let's just have a quick check on the gaps. Ah, that's brilliant. The gaps are actually different. So you've got larger holes at the rear and smaller holes at the front there that will lock into place, folks, okay? So just press them in, like so, into their appropriate little hole. Just like so. A little bit of a fiddle to get the first one in, but once you get one in, they should all start then pressing in place, okay? So you want them nice and tight and pressed all the way home, folks, because you don't want them to pop back out again. Right there. There you go. They are going in now. So you'll do the same with the other side there. I'm going to do a rear one just to get that into place, which is just there. And again, they'll press into the holes, neatly cut. There you go, into the vinyl, or velvet, should I say. Make sure I orientate that the correct way round. And you want it with a long rectangle facing you, folks. The easiest way of describing it. And then just press them in, like so. You can hear it just click into place. And then we'll do the same with the front ones, okay? Slight jaunty angle. But once they go, they'll go. Just like so. You can hear them just clicking into place. And that's what that will give you. Nice, simple, and effective bit of floor mat. And I'm just going around, keep pressing as I'm going around just to make sure that these are fully homed like that. And already that's beginning to dress up the back of this car there. You can see the mats. Okay, so that's that stage sorted. That's the end of kit number 56, folks. Don't forget, you want to grab this for yourself, head over to Fanhome, just there. Link in the description below. Take out a subscription to this beautiful, beautiful 1/8 scale full Mustang Eleanor. Also, to help me out, you can just click that little fester in the corner and subscribe to my channel. Helps me grow, helps the content keep coming. And ring the bell whilst you're there to get notified of any future content. Till the next video, folks. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and well. See you for the next one. Bye-bye.